is KT.
Oh my god. Who are you talking to?
YouTube.
Oh my god.
We're on an adventure to go bring them to the groomers. Shantae, I can't get you in there. There you are. She's like all the way back there. There's Pookie. They were both shaking earlier, so Katie got a blanket for them, and now they're not shaking as much anymore. They're tiny and frail little beings of fluffness. But yeah, we're bringing them to the groomers, and then Katie's got a doctor's appointment, and we're on a roller coaster.
I'm
right
not
now.
even going that fast around this turn. Okay, I kind of was, but like, it's not like it was that big of a deal.
And then she has to go to her place of work to grab a piece of paper and also get gauze, and there was something else that you needed to get, but I don't remember what it was. Oh yes, we're bringing back the movie, and we're going to see if they have Out of Breath.
Don't breathe.
Don't Breathe. Same difference.
Not really. Not really at all. Stop. That is such a horrible angle. Alright, that's maybe slightly better, but I don't want to be on anything. Sorry, people of YouTube. Don't take offense.
She's only made one video for the channel so far, and that was on her terms, and this isn't on her terms, so she's not happy with it. Correct?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Eventually, I will get another video with her on her terms that isn't this one. Maybe.
Okay, we have to take the one way to town, so we have to go this way. Day in the life of Katie. I go this way like every day.
Is this how you get to work?
Well, no, I take the other way, but they both lead to Monmouth, so.
Oh, okay.
It is pretty much the same scenery.
She walks a lonely road, the only road that she has ever known. She does know where it goes, though. I'm not sorry.
This is not the road I usually take my walks on, so.
No. Well, I'll get you later then for the walking roads. Is that one lonely too?
What are those houses?
It just kind of looks like two fluff balls in the back of your seat.
Well, Shantae's probably freaking out because she's like, where the fuck are we going? Because the only time they get car rides is if they're going to the vet or if they're going to the groomer. And they don't really like either place, so.
I wonder what this looks like. I'm here.
No, just watch your video back.
That's true, but that would be boring.
Yeah? So why are you gonna post this?
Well, it would be boring for me, because I already saw it.
Oh god. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be boring to anyone else too. Anyone who's been to rural Illinois will know what this looks like.
Yeah, but maybe they'll miss it because maybe they don't live in rural Illinois anymore.
Well, they can go visit it themselves. Just saying.
But yeah, so it's just gonna be more of this, so I'll catch you guys later.